1.
Hi, this is Miss Merritt. I am going to show you how to use Flipgrid within Canvas, as well as submit your assignment. Okay, so here is our first assignment, Flipgrid Introductions. You'll notice here we have the prompt. This will be different depending on the assignment. And then we have, if I can scroll here. Okay, then we have the instructions for accessing Flipgrid discussion board. So we're going to work our way through these instructions, and these will be on every assignment, so you can refer back to them. First, we're going to scroll down and click on your table group's Flipgrid link. We're going to enter the password, biology with a capital B, 2018. It does not matter what table group you sit at. That is the password for every one of my students. We're going to click on the topic card, click on the green plus button, record our response, and then I will show you where to go from there. So going back up to the top, we're going to scroll down and access. It's not allowing me to scroll. Access your Flipgrid for your group. Let's say that you are sitting at table 1. So we're going to click on the table 1 link. It will open in a new window. And that's not the password. Biology 2018 is our password. And remember, it doesn't matter what table group you're at, that's your password. Here is your Flipgrid discussion board. As we go through the year, there will be more than just the one topic card. This is the topic card. Okay, this will be tiled through. When you get here, you're going to click on the topic card. You can see once again what happened here. All right, you can see your the prompt specific to this topic card. And we're going to introduce ourselves in 90 seconds or less, and then there are some other questions. Please make sure that you read all of the prompt because you will be graded on all the prompt. All right, scrolling down, you can see the icons of the people that have already responded to this discussion board. To add your own, you're going to click this green arrow, or green plus sign. So let me show you a few things. Hello. If you forget what the prompts are, this little button in the upper right corner is the topic card. So you can look at the questions once again. There are sticky notes that can be layered. If you tile them, so you can drag them and have multiple sticky notes. These are just for you, so you can prepare. So this is a preparatory. I didn't spell that right. Preparatory. Okay. This is a preparatory sticky note, so you don't mess up on camera like me. Here's my second sticky note, and so forth. Okay. And then closing remarks, I don't know. So use the sticky notes to help you have a very eloquent, planned out discussion. So make sure you look at the rubric within Canvas because that is one of the grading points. When you are ready to record, you're going to push the record button. Gives you a little bit of leeway there. If at any time you need to pause, simply push pause. When you're ready, you can push record. You can keep doing that. It will be a maximum of 90 seconds for this particular one, but it goes all the way up to 5 minutes depending on what we're discussing, okay? So let's say I'm finished. If I don't like at all what I did, you can push redo, but I'm okay with it. And when you're finished, you're gonna push the green next arrow. You can listen to it anytime you need to pause. Simply ready. You can push record. You can keep doing that. It will be a maximum of 90. Okay, I was good with that. So I pushed the green arrow. You could see that you could also add a title. There's no way to stop that. It just loops. That's why I hurried through. Take selfie. You can cover up your face with a dolphin. Beach ball. You can feel free to use the stickers. I know that some people are shy. Bad hair day, whatnot. It doesn't matter, but feel free to use the stickers. In your video, it's really important that you maintain professionalism. When you're ready and prompted, put your name. For this email address, you need your school email address. Super duper important. Please keep in mind that before you do any of this, before you're at this step, even at this step, before you click submit, you are sure that you really want to submit it because you cannot go back. I can as the teacher, you cannot go back, okay? It's a one-way street for you guys. Completed, and then I can go in and view my video. You're going to need to do this because when you look at your video, go up here to the URL, copy, and then you're going to go back into Canvas. Here I am again. Doesn't want to scroll. Find where it says text entry, and you can copy and paste. Let's see, I didn't want that one really. I don't like that one. Okay. You can paste in your URL and then my response. So now you shouldn't just have one URL, you should have two, because if you look back up, and I want you to go back up and look at the requirements for this, you need to reply to one of your peers' posts that is not in your same period. All right, so let me show you how to do that. So here is my peer. Okay, we don't need to, this is Miss Noto. To reply, you're going to click reply. Go through the same things. Say, hi, Miss Noto. Okay. Take a selfie. Put stickers if you would like to or not. Put your name, your school email. That's not my school email. All right, nb.ccsd.net. And to submit this one,
hi, I'm Miss No.
Click on my response. And then go up to the URL once again, copy, and paste it into the Canvas. Here we go. Shortcut is Control V, by the way. And at this point, you'll see a submit button. I don't have it because I'm a teacher, but you'll submit it. And if you scroll all the way to the top of your assignment page, after you submit, it will have a green check mark over here in this space and with the date and time stamp, okay? That is it. If you have any questions, please let me know. Please use this for future reference.